How is that done? You traverse the left subtree, that is, you go to the left end, that is 4. You print 4, then you print the root 2, then you go to the right part, that is 5. Further on, you don't have any notes, so you print 5. Then you come back again to the root, that is 1. Then you go to the right, that is 3, but 3 has a left subtree, so you have to complete that. So you come to 6. 6 doesn't have any left further, so you print 6. Then you print the right of 6, that is 8. 8 doesn't have further left, so you print 8. Then you come back, then you print 3, and 3's right is 7. So that's how you get 4, 2, 5, 1, 6, 8, 3, 7. Is it clear? समझ में
Yes,
आया
ma'am.
क्या? Everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
I gave you this as a homework. Just see how this comes. Have you all got this? Have you all done this? Yes, students.
Yes,
नहीं
ma'am.
किया
Yes,
तो
ma'am.
अभी करके देखो. Are you all getting the same answer? Just check it out. Those who have
Yes,
not done
ma'am.
it, please
Same.
do it. First, you go to the leftmost part, that is 9. Then you print 12. Then 12's right is 14, and 14 doesn't have any branches, so you print 14. Then you come back to the root of that left subtree, that is 17. Then you go to the right, that is 23. 23 doesn't have any left subtree, so you print 23. Then you go to the right, that is 19. 19 doesn't have any branches, so you print 19. Then you have finished with that subtree, you go to 50. You print 50. Then you go to 72. 72 has a left part, right? So what happens? You have to go to 54. 54 doesn't have a left part, so you print 54. Then you print 67. Why? Because 67 doesn't have any more branches. Then you come back, you print 72. 72 has a right part, that is 76. So that's how you get the sequence in this particular tree. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
It's very important, these such questions are asked for the GATE exams also, and it's asked for your exam. It carries about 6 marks if you solve it correctly. Okay, now that was in order traversal. Now if you go to pre-order traversal, it's just a rearranging of stuff. In the in order, we first visited the left, then the root, then the right. But here first root, then left, and then right. Okay, so that's how it is done. So how it is done? Visit the root. So if you can see the screen, first is visit the root. So what is the first thing? Root is what? Tell me.
1.
1.
One.
So what happens? You print 1 because they say first is visit the root. So you print 1. Then what it is, they're saying traverse the left subtree. So when you go to the left subtree, which is the node? Which is the left subtree
2.
you see here?
2.
2, 4, 5, right? That is the left subtree you see. So in that left subtree, which is the root?
2.
2. So you print 2. फिर 2 का लेफ्ट सबट्री कौन सा है? 4 ही है, राइट? 4 को फर्दर ब्रांचेस नहीं है तो 4 प्रिंट करेंगे. समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं?
Yes, ma'am.
मैं फिर से स्टार्ट करती हूँ. फर्स्ट इज विजिट द रूट. तो रूट यहाँ पे क्या है? 1. सो 1 प्रिंट करेंगे. सो 1 के लेफ्ट सबट्री कौन सा है? 2, 4, 5 है. और लेफ्ट सबट्री का रूट कौन सा है? 2 है, तो 2 प्रिंट करेंगे. उसके बाद 2 का लेफ्ट सबट्री कौन सा है? सिर्फ 4 है. सो 4 को ब्रांचेस नहीं है तो सिर्फ 4 प्रिंट करेंगे. तो अभी तक हमने कैसे ट्रैवर्स किया? 1, 2, 4. So now there are no more left subtrees. Then what they say in the third step? traverse the right subtree. So 2 का right, 4 का तो branches ही नहीं है, so we are done with that. Then we have to go to 2. 2 को right है, तो what is the right part? It is just 5. 5 को branches नहीं है, तो 5 print करेंगे. Now we have done with 5. Then we have done that portion. तो वापस 1 के पास जाएंगे. तो 1 is already done. So 1 का right part क्या है? सिर्फ 3 है. So 3 print करेंगे. So traversal कैसे हो गया? 1, 2, 4, 5 and 3. समझ में आया क्या?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear to everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. Now, if it is clear, now please solve this. Write down the in order as well as the pre-order. Then we will discuss. Try it by yourself. In order कैसे है? Left, root, right. Whereas pre-order is root, left, right. लिखो. And then we will see what is the solution. Do it fast. Try it by yourself. ये तो ये एग्जाम्पल भी देख सकते हैं प्रीवियस. Tree down, write the tree down, and then we'll discuss. Okay, now somebody tell me what will be the in order. बताओ मुझे. From the image given, what will be the in order? Can somebody tell it?
5,
5, okay.
10, 15,
Yes.
25,
25.
Yes,
and
good.
then 37, 50,
Yes.
and then 70.
Okay, that is correct. So, in order comes as 5, 10,
Right.
15,
Note.
then you go to 25, then 50 has a subtree, so 37, 50, 70. That is in order. Now tell me about pre-order. Pre-order कैसे है? Left, sorry, root, left, right. So tell me pre-order.
25, 25.
Yes. 25, good.
10.
Then
10,
10, okay.
5, 5,
Yes. Huh?
15,
Okay.
50,
50,
Okay.
37, 70.
50,
Okay. 37, then 37 के बाद क्या है?
70.
70.
70.
70.
So this is how you get it. Is it clear now, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Fine.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
do the next question. Do it fast. Do it. Okay. Now tell me the in order part. Yes, बताओ. In order क्या होगा इसमें?
23, 36, 40,
Mhm.
64,
Mhm.
70, then 85, 95.
Okay. And pre-order?
The order will be 85, 40, then 20,
23.
then 95, 64, 72, and 36.
एक मिनट 85, 40, 23 के बाद क्या होगा?
36,
36,
36. Yes.
then 64, 72, and then 95.
72.
Okay.
Down.
90.
Yes. Okay. You all got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Is there
Yes,
anybody who is still confused? समझ में आया है क्या सबको?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now Next is post order. So post order कैसे है? Traverse the left subtree, then traverse the right subtree, then visit the node. So what they're saying is left, right and root. So left मतलब फर्स्ट का लेफ्ट क्या है 2, 2 का लेफ्ट क्या है 4. सो 4 के बाद लेफ्ट नहीं है तो 4 प्रिंट करेंगे. देन लेफ्ट के बाद वो क्या बोल रहे राइट. सो 4 का रूट नोड इज 2. सो 2 का राइट क्या है 5. So 5 doesn't have any branches, so 5 will be getting printed. After printing 4 and 5, then only 2 will get printed. Yes, and once 2 is getting printed, then we go back to 1. 1 has a what? Left is over, so 1
Right.
has a right part. So 3 will get printed, and then finally 1 will get printed. So 4, 5, 2, 3, 1. Is it clear? So that's how post order works. Clear hai kya sabko? Yes, please
Yes, ma'am.
mute yourself. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So now, yes, you can see this example. First, don't just copy it down. See if you get it in this way. Post order kaise hote hain? First, you do the left, then the right, then the node. So write down the in order, post order and pre-order. Do that. Don't look at the answer. See if you're getting it. Post order kaise hote hain? Pehle you go to the leftmost. So first D will get printed. It doesn't have any branches, so D will get printed. Then you go back to B, then you go to the right part. So what is it? E. E has a left part, so F will get printed. Then E will get printed. Then B will get printed. So you have to do the left first, then the right, then the root. So please do it. See if you're getting it the same way. Then we'll see another example that you have to solve it by yourself. Now you can just verify if you're getting it the same answer. You're getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Others?
Yes, ma'am.
Doubt हो तो पूछना. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So now please do this by yourself. The next image I've shown you. Find the in order, pre-order and post order. Write it down. Okay.
Done. Done, ma'am.
Done? Okay, yes. Now tell me the in order part. What is the in order?
Ma'am, I have done with post order.
Okay, you have done with post order. फिर बता post order मुझे बता. Yes, go on.
G.
G.
D.
Hmm.
D. B. Then H. I. E. F. C. A.
Okay. Yes. Anybody can tell me the in order one? In order.
D,
In order.
D, G,
G.
B,
Okay. Hmm.
D, G, B, A, H, E,
Hmm.
I, C,
Okay.
and F.
Okay. And what about pre-order?
A, B, D, G,
Okay, A, B, D, G, fine.
C,
Hmm.
E,
Hmm.
F, H, I.
नहीं नहीं, C, E, pre-order.
HIF.
H, I, F, right?
If
है ना? C के बाद E, फिर H, फिर I, then F. Is it clear?
Yes,
जैसे when you write it down, write down that thing. Left, right, root. Left, root, right. रूट लेफ्ट राइट, वो लिखते जाओ ताकि आप लोगों को कंफ्यूजन नहीं होना चाहिए. इज दैट क्लियर?
मैम
सबको समझ में आया क्या? किसी को कुछ डाउट है? इज इट क्लियर एवरीवन?
मैम please
Yes,
repeat in order sequence one time.
in order. Which order?
In order.
In order कैसे है? इन ऑर्डर का एल्गोरिथम मुझे बताओ. इन ऑर्डर कैसे होते हैं?
Left, root, right.
It's going to be left, root, right. So start with A. Does A have a left child? Yes, the person who asked me doubt, I'm asking you back. A को left child है क्या?
Yes.
हाँ. ओके, तो B के पास आ गए. B को left child है क्या?
Yes.
ओके, then you come to D. D को left child है क्या?
No.
तो D को लेफ्ट चाइल्ड नहीं है तो वापस रूट में ही जाएंगे. तो रूट क्या है? D. तो D को प्रिंट करेंगे. ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
एंड D के बाद व्हाट इज इट? लेफ्ट, रूट, राइट. D के बाद राइट साइड जाएंगे. तो D
D,
को राइट
G.
चाइल्ड है क्या?
Yes.
तो G के बाद कुछ लेफ्ट या राइट है क्या?
No.
तो क्या होगा? G प्रिंट होगा. समझ में आया?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ. देन वापस D के पास जाते, देन B के पास जाते. नाउ B, that means B's left child is done. So does then you print B because print root. तो B print करेंगे. फिर B को right child है क्या? है
No.
क्या B को right child? नहीं. Understood? Then you go to
Yes.
A. You print A. Then A को right child है क्या?
Yes.
Yes. So C is the right child. Now C has a left child, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So you go to E. E has a left child. You go to H. H doesn't have a left child. So you print H.
Okay.
You got it? Understood? H doesn't have a right child. So you go back to E.
Oh,
Then
yes.
you print E. E has a right child. So you print I.
I.
Then you go back to C. C has a, you print C and then C has a right child, that is F. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Is it clear to everybody now? It's a recursive call, you know, it's a recursive call. इतना समझ में आया क्या सबको?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Now I'll show you the, you know, this part. Why it is called recursive. If you can see my screen, can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So see how it is done. So this is how you see F is the root node. Okay. And it's pre-order, in-order, post-order. So they'll first start with pre-order. So what it is saying is if the root is null, that means if the root doesn't have anything, then return. Otherwise, print the data and then you go to the left recursively, and after completing the left you go to the right. Okay, so that is what it is saying. Now just follow the video how it is saying. Yes, this is the pre-order recursive algorithm. Fine. Now you know what is node root. It's a pointer to the root node. So now if the tree is represented in which representation? Yes, कौन सा representation है ये?
Linked list.
लिंक लिस्ट
Linked list.
representation है. तो लेफ्ट साइड है, राइट साइड है और डेटा है. Okay. So that's how it is being done. Now every node has an address. As you can see, it's getting assigned an address. So 200 is pointing to 150 in the left side. 200 is pointing to 350 in the right side. So similarly, you have the left and right sides. Every left side is pointing to the left address and every right side is pointing to the right address, and the root node is at 200. Okay, समझ में आया? तो you can say 200 is the pointer, root pointer is pointing to 200, and F, D, J are all nodes. So how does a pre-order recursal work? Is first it starts with 200 and then it goes to the left subtree. So the red part you can see here is the left subtree. That is 200 is pointing to the pre-order part of 150. Is it clear? Understood? So you print F first. Pre-order पता है ना? पहले root, फिर left, फिर right. So F print करते हैं, फिर pre-order part D print करते हैं. Then D का subtree, left subtree कौन सा है? BAC. So B print करते हैं. Then it goes to A. So this is how recursively it is done. You can see pre-order 200, then it goes to pre-order 150, pre-order 400 and pre-order 250. समझ में आया क्या?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, this is how it is saying recursive. And once that part is done, then only you will visit the right. Understood? So once 250 left is done, then it goes to 400's right. That's how. And once that is done, then you go to the above part. So this is how it is been saying. It's saying recursively. That is 200 पहले, फिर 150, फिर 400. 400 के बाद 250 हो गए, फिर 250 के बाद 180 आ गए. Is that clear? So वैसे you say it is a recursive algorithm. That means you continuously go to the left part, complete the left part, and then you go to the right side. Is it clear, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so that's how a recursive algorithm works for in-order, post-order and the pre-orders. Okay, so as you can see, this is the homework. That is that this is 4 questions I'm giving you as a homework. So in the next session, please do the in-order, post-order and pre-order traversal of the given images. And you can see the recursive order. In order, first the data goes to the left, then the data is printed, then the right. For as pre-order, first it is the data, then the left, then the right. And for post-order, left, right, and then the data. Is it clear to all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody? Yes, so that's it for today. Please try it at home. अगर कुछ डाउट है तो हम नेक्स्ट सेशन में डिस्कस करेंगे. ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, so thank you all.
Thank you, ma'am.